Hello everyone and welcome back to another live. We have such an amazing haul for you guys today. Just take a little peek. So many pieces, a ton of our favorite brands. We've got some Free People, we've got some We Wore What, we've got some Line and Dot, we've even got some For Love and Lemons today. So a really super cool haul. I'm very excited to show you guys everything. But before we jump into that, if you are new here, my name is Nina, and here at Lit every Tuesday and Thursday, I hop on live to show you guys what we have gotten in new for the week. Our sister account, Style by Lit, is down below in the comments, and she will be sending you the names and prices of everything I'm showing you as I show it. So if you see something you like, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of the name and price and either head to our website or our store to do some shopping. All right, before we jump into it, let me quickly tell you what I am wearing. So this is a part of today's We Wore What haul. It is this gorgeous leather jacket. It is so comfortable. I love how oversized it is. This is a size small, so like this is how oversized size small is. This is definitely your major oversized jacket, which I love. I love a hugely oversized jacket. I think it's so comfy and so trendy for the fall. I will show you more details on it as we get into the We Wore What haul on the rack itself. And I'm also wearing one of our We Wore What corsets today. I believe we still have a couple of these left in stock, but such a cute corset, and I absolutely love it. A little corset top with a jacket like this. I think it's so cute, so fun. I am obsessed with this jacket. All right, let's get into the haul. We have so many gorgeous pieces. So first of all, this is one of our classic pieces. We're starting with Free People today. So this is one of our classic Free People pieces, one of the bralettes that we always get from them because it is just so gorgeous and so comfy. Such a gorgeous piece. The embroidery on this is absolutely stunning, and it's just the perfect amount of stretch and comfort. I always say this about Free People pieces. They are just going to be the best for tank tops and bralettes because they're so comfortable, so supportive, and they're cute as well. So they can also be styled as tops on their own or good layering pieces. So gorgeous. All right, next up, these are so cute. We've got these gorgeous little velvet micro mini skirts. These are so beautiful. Let me show you up close. We've got this beautiful vibrant pink and this absolutely gorgeous like emeraldy green. So beautiful. I'm going to show you the details on the pink. All right, so this is definitely more of like a low to mid-rise skirt, depending on how you size it, but definitely your micro mini kind of lower rise skirt. It's got a nice waistband with a little bit of stretch to it, but it is going to stay in place really well. And then we've got this cute little cutout on the side. I love the way it like kind of goes up and then right on the side of your hip, you have kind of that direct dip down. So gorgeous. The color on this is beautiful. It's really light, really comfy. The fabric on the inside is a very nice breathable fabric, which balances out the velvet really well. So you're not going to be like super sweaty or overheating in this. And it's just such a gorgeous piece to, especially for the holidays. There's going to be a lot of ways to style these. You can definitely dress these up, make them super holiday-esque, super glam with some sparkly pieces, some heels, all of that. But you can also definitely dress this down as well. Like I'm envisioning this with like a mock neck long sleeve black top, like the top we got last Thursday from Wasabi and Mint. So gorgeous. And then with a pair of like knee-high boots, a little more casual, but still super cute and fun. And the colors on these are just absolutely stunning. All right. Next up, a couple more holiday-esque pieces. Look at these, so cute, such a good sparkle moment. So we've got this gorgeous silvery and this kind of black and green metallic. These are so beautiful. I'm going to show you the details on this piece in the silver. So this is kind of like an open front cardigan, super cute. We've got the 3 little buttons here, and the buttons are like satiny, so they're actually really soft, and it's just like a gorgeous detail moment. And then we've got a nice long sleeve here. It's a little bit of a loose sleeve, gonna be super comfy. And then let me tell you, the fabric is not scratchy at all. It is metallic and kind of sparkly, so sometimes with fabrics like that, it's a little bit scratchy, but the inside is extremely soft, and even the outside is pretty soft for that matter. But so cute, definitely a fun piece to either to layer or wear on its own. This would be super cute with a little bit bralette underneath, or you can honestly wear it with nothing underneath and just have kind of that open front moment. Super cute and fun, and the colors are just gorgeous. The sparkle, it's not really like aggressively sparkly. That's kind of why I keep going back between sparkly and metallic, because it is kind of like a metallic woven into the top rather than sparkles on the top, if that makes sense. Definitely a fun piece for the holidays. All right, and now next up, we're on to a Good American piece. I believe this is our only Good American piece today, but It is absolutely stunning. So these trousers are so gorgeous in this gorgeous like kind of creamy off-white color. They just fit really wonderfully, and they're definitely a good piece if you want kind of that more low-rise moment with these. Just size up and they will hit in exactly the spot you want. The closure is really nice. We've got this like little hook closure and then the button on the inside as well, so it stays in place really well. And the reason for that closure is just it makes things lie much flatter. Sometimes with a button it creates a little bit of bulk, but when you have this, especially with a trouser, it just makes it lie flat, give you really clean, gorgeous lines. These are definitely kind of a flowier, a little bit more oversized moment, but the fabric is kind of a little bit thicker and more structured, so it balances out that oversized moment really well, so you still look really put together and not at all sloppy. So absolutely gorgeous. All right, on to Line and Dot. First up, we've got this beautiful kind of like slate gray blouse. It's so gorgeous. Let me show you. So first up, it's this beautiful satiny fabric that I feel like I've talked about Line and Dot satins before, but they're kind of thick and just feel really decadent and expensive and feel so wonderful. So we've got this beautiful mock neck moment here that's almost like a little bit of a cross between a mock neck and a cowl neck, the way it kind of flows here, and then a beautiful balloon sleeve. So gorgeous and flowy. And then I love the length on this on this top as well. This is your full length top. Definitely a great top for work. If you're going into the office, this is going to be such a good piece. But this can also be styled kind of in a more like fun night out, kind of drinks out kind of way. This top with like a little low rise mini skirt and a pair of like platform boots. Super cute, very youthful. This definitely does have the look of like a more mature, elegant top, but it can be styled both ways. Definitely very mature and beautiful and elegant, or more cool, youthful, stylish. Not that elegant isn't stylish, but just kind of two ends of the style spectrum that you can achieve with this top. So really gorgeous. Next up from Line and Dot, another beautiful blouse. This one is a little bit longer and the color is this like beautiful camel color. A very similar satin fabric. And then we have a similar balloon sleeve, but versus the other top that had the elastic on the sleeve, we have a beautiful cuff here. And then let me show you the buttons. With these absolutely stunning, like pearl in the middle and gold around buttons. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks so expensive and decadent and so beautiful. This length is a little bit longer, so you have a little bit more flow. This would be so gorgeous with like a really tailored denim or trouser and a pair of heels. So cute. And then so we've got the way this neckline is so beautiful. So it kind of goes the way it like folds over here, but it's not like the fabric gathers in the middle here, and then that creates this kind of flowy wrap illusion, but it isn't actually a wrap top. It's all fabric that just is crossed over in the middle, and then it creates this beautiful neckline as well. So it's not quite a turtleneck, not quite a cowl neck, not quite a mock neck. It's a very unique neckline that is so gorgeous and flattering. It looks very elegant. And then again, we've got the double buttons on the back and just a little bit of a keyhole moment. So beautiful, and the color is absolutely gorgeous. All right, next up, we've got this beautiful kind of ruched wrap dress moment. So gorgeous, so classy. So let me show you up close. We've got this beautiful neckline, a little collar here, and then a crossover neckline here. So you kind of have that gorgeous like deep V moment. So even though it is kind of higher coverage, you still get that lower neckline that makes it look very youthful and very almost like a little bit sexy. And then same as the blouse, we do have these buttons here, but versus the other top where you had buttons all the way down the cuff, for this dress we have this kind of flowier sleeve. So just one button closure and then kind of almost like a little butterfly fluttery sleeve at the end of the sleeve. So kind of a more fitted sleeve with that little fluttery cuff, which is really gorgeous. And then for the waistline, because we have this ruching here and then a little bit at the top here, it's just very flattering, gives you that very small waist and that very like flows into the hips very well. And then on the back of the waistline, we do have elastic. So it's gonna be super comfy and fit super well. So you get that really fitted look in the front, but it still is super comfortable. And the length on this is really lovely as well. It's not gonna be too short, even for the tall girls. This is gonna hit at a place that feels very appropriate. Definitely good for like weddings or a little bit more of a formal setting where you wanna look a little more conservative or covered up, but still very youthful and pretty. So absolutely gorgeous. And again, this color, stunning, so fall. All right, next up, we've got these gorgeous trousers. These are such a good piece. The fabric on these is absolutely lovely. It's so like, I don't want to describe the fabric as thick because it doesn't feel thick or heavy, but it just feels very like sturdy almost. Definitely if you come into the store, give these a feel because they feel really, really nice. So we've got our little pockets on the side here, and then a similar closure to the Good America pants. We've got the little hook and then the little button inside. Like I said, that just creates a flatter kind of closure on the front, and then the zipper, of course. These are just really, really well structured and well made. They're just going to be incredibly flattering. We've got the elastic on the back of the waistline, so it's going to hug the waist really beautifully, but still give you the look of those kind of like, not quite oversized, but like wider leg trouser, like just a really nice silhouette on these. Really gorgeous. It's going to fit really well through the hip and the bum, and then have that kind of straight kind of cross between straight and wide leg. And then let me show you the pattern as well. It's almost like it's kind of plaid, it's kind of houndstooth, but it's such a tiny pattern that from afar it just looks kind of textured, and then when you get up close to it, you can see there's a pattern. So it just, if you don't really have to like patterns like these, you just have that little bit of added something, so you don't have like a plain black or plain gray trouser on. So it just makes it look a little more interesting. And then if you look very closely, there is like a tiny bit of color. It's almost like a pinkish reddish color. Very, very subtle. You can barely see it, but it just adds a little bit of dimension to the pants. All right, next up we've got some knits. So first up, this gorgeous little sweater. This is such a cute little piece and so fun. So we've got a little bit of a mock neck here. I love the mock neck on this because it is double layered versus the rest of the sweater is just a single knit, but we have the double layer on the mock neck, which makes it stay in place perfectly. It's not going to flop over. It's just going to stay exactly where it's meant to be, which is so nice. And then we've got this super cute little like bubble braid sleeve, which is adorable. And then with a little cuff on the bottom to help it stay in place. So you just have that like slightly voluminous shoulder and sleeve, which is really gorgeous. And then a little bit of a like waistband on the hem. So this is definitely kind of your more cropped sweater, not super cropped. You can definitely wear it with a high or mid-rise denim and it'll look really, really gorgeous. This is just definitely a nice like closet fall staple sweater, but then you have the sleeve to add like a little bit more fun to it. Gorgeous. And next up, another nice fall staple sweater. This one is so, so soft. We've got a little turtleneck moment here. Let me show you. Like a true turtleneck here. And then it folds over really nice. I actually like to fold my turtleneck sweaters like into the sweater so it looks a little bit smoother. I think that always ends up looking nice. And then kind of just like your very classic sweater silhouette, a little bit flowier, not too big or dramatic of a sleeve, but with that little cuff at the end. So just a really nice flattering silhouette. Again, like your really classic sweater that can kind of be styled with anything. All right, guys, on to the We Wore What haul. We've got so much good stuff from them. First up, we've got this faux leather kind of shacket moment and this beautiful green color. So, so gorgeous. And then we've got these beautiful buttons. Let me show you close. So the buttons are like this green, like almost gemstone with a gold outline. So, so cute. And then it definitely is another oversized moment. It's going to fit very flowy and oversized. And then we have the buttons on the cuff as well. So you can, they're actually not buttons, they're snaps, which I love. I think that's so much easier than buttons. But definitely like a gorgeous piece, kind of a more unique take on a shacket, but the inside is very, very soft. You can even see the texture of it on camera. Like it looks very, it's not fuzzy, it's definitely like a flat, soft texture, but it feels really nice and it's gonna be a little bit cozier than your traditional leather piece would be. So cute, so gorgeous, and definitely also a very versatile piece. I feel like a shacket like this is a good piece to have as we get into the fall for like going out. This is a really good layering piece because you can have it open and still show your super cute outfit, and you also won't get overheated in this, so really cute. All right, next up we have got the cropped version of the We Wore What leather jacket. It's not quite cropped, but it is kind of, it's definitely shorter than this oversized one. So we've got all these gorgeous details on it. I love all the little silver button details, and the asymmetrical zipper is so cute. The pockets have zippers as well, which is such a nice detail. And the way the pockets are is perfect for putting your hands in them, which I love. We do have this little buckle at the bottom. I love this because this stays in place super, super well. It doesn't flop around, and it's very easy to like hook it in to the belt loops if you want it to be unbuckled, and it won't flop around at all. So it's really nice. This is just like a super gorgeous, like nicely structured leather jacket. Just a very good silhouette. Really, really cute. And we do have the zippers on the sleeves as well. So you can actually have the sleeve be like a little bit flowier if you want. So, so cute. All right, now let me tell you some details about the leather jacket that I am wearing. So first of all, we've got the gorgeous like buckles on the sleeve on this one as well. The same buckles that we have on the bottom here. And so this is what I was saying about kind of tucking it if you don't want it buckled So it just tucks, and then it's not bothering me at all. And this buckle, I feel like sometimes with leather jackets, if the buckle is undone, it's like loud and like clanging around. This one is very like chill. It's not making too much noise. It's very unbothersome. But my favorite part about this leather jacket by far, other than the fact that it's so oversized, which I am obsessed with, is the inside of it is lined with this really, really soft, like cottony material that makes it so cozy and comfortable to wear. Sometimes with leather jackets, they don't have that lining, so you just have the leather on you. And it doesn't feel necessarily very cozy or super comfortable, but this one is like really cozy. Like, it feels so nice, like not cozy in an overheating way, like it's definitely not like a winter-esque jacket, but cozy in just like a very comfortable way. Like, I could be wearing a sweater right now and it would feel very similar. So absolutely obsessed with this one. The silhouette is phenomenal, absolutely gorgeous. All right, and now we have got this super cute and fun reversible vest from We Wore What. We're still in the We Wore What haul. So we've got this beautiful kind of ivory off-white fur lining that lines on the front, the sleeves, and the pockets as well. So cute and cool. And then here we go. Let me show you the back. So in the back, obviously we have these tags here. They are they're connected to the vest with these little strings. So this is meant to be taken off, so you can wear it reversibly. So let me flip it around for you. And then you have a fully fur vest. So cute. Definitely a fun and versatile piece that can be styled a ton of different ways. I love a reversible moment. It makes the piece so much more like useful because you can wear it so many different ways, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I think the leather side is my favorite. I love this color of the leather. It's almost like beigey, kind of a greenish undertone. It's very cool, very unique, but still a fun neutral color. All right, next up, we've got this gorgeous puffer jacket, and the secret about this puffer jacket is that the sleeves actually detach to become a vest. So first of all, let me show you the jacket details. This is definitely a nice puffer. It's definitely like gonna keep you warm. It has that nice thickness to it, but the puffiness itself, if that makes sense, isn't like super bulky. It feels very light and wearable. And then on the wrist, we have a little elastic, which I think is important for a puffer. It just keeps you warmer. And then I love the little like neck, almost like a turtleneck version of it on a puffer jacket, which is really cute. And then the proportions on this are really nice as well. It's perfectly oversized. The pockets are really nice. They do have a closure on them, and they're a good size pocket as well. So super cute. And I also love this like shade of brown, this nice chocolatey brown. All right, now let's take the sleeves off and show you. So they're connected by snaps. So they stay on incredibly well. Like, these are not falling off or going anywhere or detaching on their own. But when you take them off, you get such a fun little vest. See what I mean? They're just not going anywhere. All right. So this is what it looks like as a vest. I love the proportions of this. I think it looks so cute. Such a fun, versatile piece. Same as the reversible vest. Like, there's just so much you can do with it, so many different ways to wear it, and it becomes useful for so many more seasons. So this can be an early fall piece, this can be a winter piece, and this can be a spring piece as well, because you can take the sleeves off, and it works for so many different styles and occasions. Love it. All right, our last piece of the day, guys, and maybe my favorite piece. This is for Love and Lemons. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna step to the side. I feel like you can't see it against my black jacket. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, the details on this are amazing. So first of all, we've got this beautiful sheer sleeve with bows sectioning it off throughout. The bows are like a very soft satin. They're so beautiful and so delicate. And then we've got these beautiful cuffs with little button closures. Just so elegant. It feels wonderful. It's so beautiful. And then I love this neckline. We've got this kind of, it's not a super deep V, but it's a very flattering neckline. Looks really gorgeous. And then I hope you can see. Can you see how the fabric has this like very subtle pattern throughout it, like embossed in the fabric itself? Absolutely gorgeous. And then so we've got a zipper closure underneath the sleeve here, so it's very subtle but makes it very easy to wear. And then the skirt on this is just that beautiful flow. Definitely a mini dress, very short depending on your height, but it fits beautifully and is very flattering. Absolutely stunning. A beautiful piece for the holidays or for any really special occasion. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Oh. Love this dress. I have never been disappointed by a For Love and Lemons piece, and I'm definitely not disappointed by this. It's so beautiful. All right, guys, that is all I've got for you today. Today was such a good haul. I'm so excited about it. These pieces were phenomenal. Thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you all on Thursday. Have a great rest of your week.